What's up, guys? You know, I can't stop messing with car audio stuff. It's one of my hobbies. So when I decided to throw one of my K6s that I'm not using in my daughter's car, which it's finaled at 2 ohms, I was looking for a good 2 ohm amp that'll drive one 10-inch K6 pretty hard. And a lot of amps are good at 1 ohms, but it gets kind of hard for a budget amp finding one that puts out a decent power at 2 ohms. So me being a Soundstream fan, I checked out this Picasso Nano PN1.650D. It was dynoed by Sonic Electronics, and it basically put out what it said, and 650 for 110 is more than enough, especially for daily driver. So I thought I'd give it a try. And these are your high level cables. What I like about these amps is they're really small. It's about 9 by 6. I mean, they're really small amps. They're heavy. They don't feel cheap at all. They look really nice. So you got your gain, subsonic, bass boost, low pass, low level inputs, RCA inputs, and your remote bass knob, which it comes with. And on this end you got your speaker outs, 2 25 amp fuses, and your power block. Nice amp, really heavy. Let's check out the bass knob. Kind of your standard plastic bass knob, nothing crazy. I kind of like that it doesn't have an LED on it, because some of those bug me when you have a bright LED by the console or wherever you have it. So now I did, because I couldn't wait, I did hook it up real quick, and this thing pumps hard 110. I tried it on my Soundstream R3s and the Rockville K6, and it's more than enough power. And they have these on Amazon for like 107 bucks. So that's a great amp if you're looking for something to run at 2 ohms. This would power 2 subs if you had 2 lower level subs, like something with like 200 watt each capacity. But the K6 actually handles like 600 watts, and I've even given it 1,000. So I wanted something on the upper tier. So 650 at 2 ohms times 1, this thing pumps it out. So anyway, I gave it a thumbs up. I just thought it'd be some more information for you guys, since I test a lot of daily driver type audio equipment. But great little amp. Alright guys, take it easy.